Hello learners! Welcome to the phrasal verb test. This session will help you understand and master the use of phrasal verbs in English. Get ready to enhance your grammar skills and stay tuned for more educational content. Let's dive into the test and see how well you know your phrasal verbs. Good luck!
1. The director bore all opposition. 2. Burglars broke the shop and decamped with valuable goods. 3. The conference broke at 10 p.m. 4. The publisher is bringing a revised edition of this book. 5. In the absence of the principal, the vice principal carried the work. 6. I have taken certain measures to cut my expenses. 7. The patient is under treatment and will come soon. 8. The strike has been called by the workers. 9. The young scholar bore the first prize. 10. He break of his promise to help me. Here are the answers with reasons and their meanings in Hindi. 1. The director bore down all opposition. Down. Reason. The phrase bore down means to overcome or press hard against something. Hindi. Nirdeshak ne sabhi virodhon ko daba diya. 2. Burglars broke into the shop and decamped with valuable goods. Into. Reason. The phrase broke into means to enter a place forcibly. Choro ne dukan mein ghuskar qimati saman chura liya. 3. The conference broke up at 10 p.m. Up. Reason. The phrase broke up means to end or disperse. Hindi. Sammelan rat 10 baje samapat hua. 4. The publisher is bringing out a revised edition of this book out. The phrase bringing out means to publish or release. Prakashak is pustak ka sanshodhit sanskaran prakashit kar raha hai. 5. In the absence of the principal, the vice principal carried on the work. Reason. The phrase carried on means to continue doing something. Hindi. Pradhanachari ki anupasthiti mein up-pradhanachari ne kaam jari rakha. 6. I have taken certain measures to cut down my expenses. The phrase cut down means to reduce. Hindi. Maine apne kharchon ko kam karne ke liye kuch upay kiye hain. 7. The patient is under treatment and will come around soon. Reason. The phrase come around means to recover or regain consciousness. Hindi. Mareej ka ilaj chal raha hai aur wah jald hi theek ho jayega. 8. The strike has been called off by the workers. Off. The phrase called off means to cancel. Hadtal ko kamgaron dwara radd kar diya gaya. 9. The young scholar bore away the first prize. The phrase bore away means to win or carry off. Hindi. Yuva Vidwan ne pehla puraskar jeeta. 10. He broke off his promise to help me. Reason. The phrase broke off means to stop or discontinue. Usne mujhe madad karne ka apna vada tod diya. Sure. Here are the phrasal verbs used in your sentences, along with their meanings in English and Hindi. 1. Bore down, overcome or defeat through persistence. Example, the director bore down all opposition. Hindi meaning, daba dena. 2. Broke into, enter a place forcibly. Example, burglars broke into the shop and decamped with valuable goods. Hindi meaning, jabran kusna, broke up, end or disperse. Example, the conference broke up at 10 p.m. Hindi meaning, samapta hona pora. Bring out, publish or release. Example, the publisher is bringing out a revised edition of this book. Hindi meaning, prakashit karna. Carried on, continue doing something. Example, in the absence of the principal, the vice principal carried on the work. Hindi meaning, jari rakhna, se cut down, reduce. I have taken certain measures to cut down my expenses. Hindi meaning, kam karna. Come around, recover consciousness or return to a normal state. Example, the patient is under treatment and will come around soon. Tikona. 8. Called off, cancel. Example, the strike has been called off by the workers. Hin meaning, radd karna. Bore away, take away as a prize or award. Example, the young scholar bore away the first prize. Hindi meaning, jeet lena 10. Breakout, escape or free oneself. Example, he broke out of his promise to help me. Hindi meaning, tod dena. Each phrasal verb is paired with its respective Hindi translation to help you understand and remember their meanings better.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful grammar tips and lessons. Hope this helps you clear your grammar doubts. Keep watching and wait for the next video. Thank you.